Step 7. Unbolt the ground straps attached to the intake manifold and the throttle body. $10mm. Step number 8. Remove the engine oil dipstick nut from the stud on the intake manifold. Then follow the dipstick tube to the rear of the engine block and remove the bolt securing the tube at the bottom of the block. Pull the dipstick tube up and out of the engine block to remove it. Okay, let's do that. So this is the first thing we need to remove, which is an 8mm done. Now the next thing is to get this bolt that's way in the back here. And it's deep back here. The only socket that I saw or I found that works is this. I'm assuming it's a 10mm, but you'll see if you ever have to do this where this bolt is at, it's really screwy. And then I got this, which is a magnetic end, and I'm going to put it down there because I don't want to lose that bolt when it comes out. And I really can't grip onto it too good. So, nice. It would have fell if I didn't have that, so that's something I'd suggest get. So there we go. Now we just got to pull it out. That's what she said. All right.